Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how we can take input from a user into our program. Let's start by loading up NetBeans. And while that's loading up, I'm going to go and get the console file ready to import. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. Remember, it's a Java application, and I'm going to call this one input, and click finish. You'll notice I've got my project from last week up as well. If you want to, you can close that by right-clicking on it and clicking close. Okay, so here's my input project, and I'm going to drag the console into the package. So, to get it working, I'm going to create a console. So, create console 2013. Okay, let's take some input from our user. So, I'm going to say string with a capital S name equals console dot. Oh, put too many C's in console. Console dot read line inside the brackets. I'm going to tell it what to say so that our user sees something. So, please enter your name. So if I run that now, you'll see that the program runs. It says, please enter your name, and I can click here and enter my name. And now the program ends. So let's do something with that. So now that I've taken in the user's name, I'm going to say console.print hello space. Then outside of the brackets, I'm going to do plus name. So it's like I'm attaching, using the plus, this name that we've taken in from the user. So let's run the program again. So my name, hello, please enter your name, Mr. Quince. Hello, Mr. Quince. And if I wanted to, I could now add more questions. So let's copy and paste that. Let's call this one, how are you? Notice that I'm not putting any spaces in the name, whatever I call this here. How are you? And then I'm going to console.print. I am glad you are. And I'm going to add on what the person said. How are you? So let's run this program one more time. So my name is Mr. Quince. Hello, Mr. Quince. How are you? Good. I'm glad you are good. How fun. One thing that's a little bit annoying though is the fact that things sometimes get printed on the same line next to each other. To stop that, whenever we print, we can, instead of just using the print command, we can use the print lm, which stands for line. And I could also do things like here where I've said I am glad you are. I could put my name back on the front of it. So name, I am glad you are. So now when I run it, so please enter your name, Mr. Quince. Hello, Mr. Quince, how are you? Good. Mr. Quince, I'm glad you are good. And my program's now talking to me. How fun. Okay, have an experiment and see how you can get your program to talk to you.